Oh, no, no, no. Oh, lizard.
Here I am at my front walkway, and this is what it looks like when you're walking by the front of our house, and it's very blah and boring, right? So my idea to spruce this up is at the top of these 3 steps where you get to the top is to add pots on either side and put purple fountain grass in the middle and some fillers and spillers, and just hopefully have something really grand as you come up this walkway or as people are walking by, just something really lovely. All right, let me go through what I'm going to be putting in my pots. I have these 2 baby purple fountain grasses, but they won't be babies for very much longer. And then I have this double yellow calabracoa and double blue calabracoa, but it looks more purple to me, so I'm gonna say purple, but its name is double blue. And then I also have some creeping Jenny that I'm just gonna try. We're gonna see how she does in full sun, because that's where these pots are going to be. As you can see, we're at afternoon and we have full sun most all day right here. So I know the purple fountain grass and the calabracoa are going to love it. Creeping Jenny, she'll be a test. Okay, so now I'm sitting out here in the front under my shade tree. I want to show you these self-watering containers I also got from Gardener Supply. Now, I'm not sponsored or anything. I'm just letting you know where I got them from, but look at this. Look, they're super, super light. And I love it. I love the look of it. And it comes with the self-watering inside. So that's gonna be great. I'm hoping, I've never used self-watering containers at all in all my years of container planting, and that's where my forte was before I started YouTube, 4 years, since year 2000. And anyway, I've never used these, so these are a test for me this year, but I'm hoping they help me out in this hot Texas heat, where I'm not having to run out here constantly make sure they have water if we travel, and having to worry if they have enough water and perish. So fingers crossed. I have 2 of these to go on each side, of course. And then I also bought 2 black 16 by 16 pavers to set these guys on, because I'm just not going to set them in the grass. Gotta have something stable and level to set them on. For my front beds, to add some interest and pops of color, I have this Nepeta Walker's Low. And these guys are babies right now, but they won't be for long. They are vigorous growers, so I can't wait to see this color pop up in these front beds. They get beautiful spikes of violet blue, and they're gonna be great. So I'll just show you where I'm putting them. I have 10 of them. So we had to do some work out here. We had part of this bush died over the winter, so my husband has cut that out. So I'm gonna put one there. So this is the end of the front bed here. So one's gonna go there, and then we had another bush die that was in here, and my husband cut it out. And yes, I have to weed and clean these beds up, but that's okay. So I'm gonna put 3 here, because with their 30 to 36 inch spread and height, we're gonna need some room here for these guys, and this will put color here on this side. And then I'm going to put 3 in here amongst these bushes, and they were trimmed just 2 weeks ago, and they are just vigorous growers, but I've got to clean the beds out from some of their trimmings, and they're growing. And then over here across the walkway, I'm going to put 2 in here. I think that'll look lovely. So we're just bringing the color all the way around to the front. And over here, I'm hoping this side of this bush fills in. It was trying to die, and the plant that was beside it, it completely died. We had to get it out of there, but I'm going to put 1 in here to add some color. So we'll get to watch the progression of these guys, and I hope you'll come along with me because I sure am going to update on it.
Oh, no. Oh, lizard. No to the critters. No, go away. Staring at me. Do not jump on my face. Why? No. I cannot work with you staring at me. What? Look, I'm gonna need you to go on. You scare me so bad.
All in there and watered in, and I ended up only doing 2 in this one. I said I was going to do 3, but I feel like with this bush right here, it's just too close to get that in there. I don't know. Tell me what you think down in the comments below. I guess I'll use the other one in the back somewhere. But yep, there they are, and I'm excited to watch these guys get going. I do have more weeding and cleaning up to do. I only did some, and then I'm going to put a good thick layer of mulch down in here. But they are going to be so lovely when they start sprouting up their little violet blue spikes, because I put these on the gates, and that's going to look so pretty together. I have the best husband on the planet. Okay, here we are. The pavers are finally down. Oh my goodness. I thought that was going to be simple and fast, but no. When Wendy is involved, there's always some kind of ordeal. Because this is on a slope, my husband had to come out and help me. Actually, he did it all. I attempted and didn't get very far, but he came out and got them all level and great. So now I can put my pots on them and get the flowers in there. Yay! I love it. That's just what I wanted, right at the top of that stairway there. And my husband was like, can you move them back? Would that be okay? No, of course not. It has to go right there. Anyway, it looks really good. Those just look so great, don't they? Oh, when they fill out, they're going to add so much interest to the front of this house. And they already do, just the pots. It already looks better to me and gives a focal point here. So it's just not a big, long walk here up to the front of this house. Nice. And I'm going to show you my self-watering. Look, right there it is. So I have a little gauge thing. You open this up, you have a little gauge thing, you pour water in there, and when it floats, then you have enough water in the reservoir. But I'll be watering them from the top until they get established in here. But we've got the double lemon calabracoa and the double blue, the purple fountain grass, and then I snuck in Creepin' Jenny between all of them. And we'll see how she does. She is not a big fan of full sun, so we'll see. I'm all about trying things. So anyway, thank you guys so much for following along. I hope wherever you are, you're having a great day. Be sweet.